A very pleasant morning to all my dear students. Today, 28th of September 2020. In the previous class, we had started the chapter The Happy Prince, and we have explained two pages, that is page number 28 and 29, right? So today we are going to explain the page number 30 and 31. Before that, let us revise the previous class version, right? So let's start. There stood the statue of the Happy Prince as a tall column in the city. He was gilded all over it. He had thin leaves of fine gold. He had two bright sapphires for eyes. A large ruby glowed on his sword hilt. At that time, a little swallow came and sat on the statue. He decided to spend night under its feet. But as he was going to sleep, a large drop of water fell on him. The swallow was amazed because there was no cloud, yet it rained. How it happened? The second drop water made the swallow decide to fly off. Then the third drop of water made him to look at the statue. It was weeping. रो रहा था statue से आंसू गिर रहे थे. The statue spoke to the swallow, and it said that when it was alive, it had not known what tears were. His courtiers called him Happy Prince because in his palace there was no misery, there was no sadness, no one have any problem in his city. Now he sat very high. He saw the miseries of the city very clearly. The Happy Prince told the swallow that there lived a woman far away. She was a seamstress. वो क्या करती है? दर्जिन है ना? सिलाई करती है. She was embroidering flowers on the satin gown of the queen's maid of honor. The maid was to wear it at the next court ball. In the bed there lay her little boy. He was suffering from fever, right? The Happy Prince asked the swallow to pick the ruby from his sword hilt and give it to that woman. So he requested swallow, उसने request किया swallow bird को कि वो उसकी तलवार में से एक रूबी निकाले और उस बूढ़ी औरत को जिसका बेटा बीमार है उसे दे दे ताकि उसे उसका इलाज कर सके, उसे खाने के लिए ला सके, like that, isn't it? So this much we have explained in our previous class. Now let us proceed to our next page, that is page number 30, right? Page number 30, take out your book, let's start reading. I am waited for in Egypt, said the swallow. My friends are flying up and down the Nile and talking to a large lotus flowers. Soon they will go to sleep. The swallow bird says that I want to go to Egypt. My friends had already been there. मेरे दोस्त, मेरे साथी सब इजिप्ट चले गए हैं. मैं रह गया हूँ और मुझे भी इजिप्ट जाना है. मुझे यहाँ नहीं रहना है. The prince asked the swallow to stay with him for one night and be his messengers. The boy is so thirsty and the mother so sad, he said. प्रिंस ने स्वैलो से रिक्वेस्ट किया कि आज एक रात तुम मेरे साथ एक मैसेंजर, एक दूत की तरह रहो. वो बच्चा बहुत बीमार है, बहुत भूखा है. उसकी मदर बहुत उदास है क्योंकि उसके पास उसे देने को कुछ नहीं है. सो स्वैलो तो हैप्पी प्रिंस ने उसे कहा कि तुम प्रिंस रिक्वेस्टेड हिम टू स्टे वन नाइट. उसके साथ एक रात व्यतीत करने के लिए उसने रिक्वेस्ट की, राइट? But the Happy Prince looked so sad that the little swallow was sorry. It is very cold here, he said, but he agreed to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. Thank you, little swallow, said princess. So the little swallow bird, he agreed and he understand the feeling of happy prince. So he agreed to stay one night and help him. और उसने मान गया और उसने कहा कि ठीक है, मैं तुम्हारी मदद करूँगा. The swallow picked out the great ruby from the princess' sword and flew away with its beak over the roofs of the towns. So little bird swallow ने उस रूबी को उसकी सोर्ड से निकाला और फिर वो उड़ते उड़ते and he reached at that place, same place, right? So he reached there. He with its beak he took keep the ruby in his mouth and go there to the roofs of the town. He passed by a cathedral tower where the white marble angels were sculptured. Sculpture. The meaning of sculpture is curved. Sculpture. S-C-U-L-P-T-U-R-E. It means curved. Right. So the swallow picked that ruby and he went to that place. He passed with the cathedral tower, then where the white marbles, जहाँ उस टावर पे गया जहाँ पे white marbles put हुए थे, लगे गए थे. He passed by the palace and heard the sound of dancing also. A beautiful girl came out on the balcony with her lover. So the little swallow bird saw many sights in between that. इस बीच में वो कई ऐसी चीज देखने लगे. उसने बहुत beautiful girls को भी देखा. I hope my dress will be ready in time for the state ball, she said. I have ordered flowers to be embroidered on it, but the seamsters are so lazy. So these maids of honors, the queen's maids of honors, they were talking about it that they have given their clothes to seamsters for the flower embroidering like that, and they are talking about that lady was too lazy. वो उसी seamsters की बातें कर रहे हैं जिसको उन्होंने ऑर्डर देके के कपड़े सिलवाए थे और कहा कि उसने अभी तक पहुंचाया नहीं है, कितनी लेजी है. He passed over the river and saw the lanterns hanging on the mast of the ships. Then he moved the swallow bird, moved it, and he passed on the logging lanterns hanging in the mast. At last he came to the poor woman's house and looked in. Then he reached at that destination, his destination. वो अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंच गया, उस woman के घर पहुंच गया. The boy was tossing feverishly on his bed. He was very bad shivering, isn't it? And the mother had fallen asleep. She was so tired. उस बच्चे को इतना बुखार आ रहा था, बुखार से पीड़ित था, तप रहा था और उसकी मदर भी बहुत थक गई थी. And he hoped and laid the great ruby on the table beside the woman's thimble. सिलाई की मशीन के उधर उसने वो रूबी रख दिया. Then he flew gently round the bed, fanning the boy's forehead with his wings. How cool I feel, said the boy. And he just और वो उड़ते हुए उस बॉयज के हेड पे से पंख पसारते हुए और उस बॉय को ऐसा लगा कि बहुत ठंडी हवा आई, उसे बहुत ठंडक महसूस हुई उस समय. I must be getting better and he sank into a delicious slumber. और उस बच्चे को ऐसे लगा कि वो बहुत जल्दी ठीक हो जाएगा, उसे एक रिलीफ जैसा लगा. राइट. स्लम्बर मीन्स स्लीप. स्लम्बर मीन्स स्लीप. Slumber means sleep, right? So the boy felt that yes, I feel better than before when the wings of that bird flew on it. Okay. Then the next paragraph. Then the swallow flew back to the happy prince and told him what he had done. It is curious, he remarked, but I feel quite warm now, although it is so cold. The swallow bird ने कहा कि मैंने तुम्हारा वर्क कर दिया. I have done your work and now I am also feel very warm after doing this good deed. अच्छा काम करने के बाद मुझे भी जो ठंड लग रही थी वो नहीं लग रही. I am feeling better. That is because you have done a good action, said the prince. And the little swallow began to think and then fell asleep. Thinking always made him sleepy. When day broke, he flew down to the river and had a bath. Tonight I go to Egypt, said the swallow, and he was in a spirit at the prospect. Then the next morning, the little swallow bird told Happy Prince that today I will go to Egypt. Today I wouldn't remain here and I have to go to Egypt. He visited all the monuments and sat long time on top of the church steeple. Then he told that tonight I will go. आज रात को मैं चली जाऊँ. पूरे दिन भर वो बर्ड उस शहर के चारों ओर घूमती रही. कहीं मॉन्यूमेंट से बैठी, कहीं जाके बैठी, चर्च स्टीपल पे जाके बैठी. When the moon rose, he flew back to the Happy Prince. जैसे ही रात हुई, he again came back to the statue of Happy Prince. Have you any commissions for Egypt? He cried. I am just starting. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince. Will you stay with me one night longer? फिर से रिक्वेस्ट किया कि क्या तुम मेरे साथ एक रात और रुक सकती हो? I am waited for in Egypt, said answered the swallow. उन्होंने कहा मेरा इंतजार हो रहा है इजिप्ट में, मैं कैसे रुक सकती हूँ? Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince. Far away across the city, I see a young man in a garret. Garret means here a room in the roof. Garret. A room in the roof. छत पे बना हुआ, इसे टेरेस पे कमरा बना हुआ, right? Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince. Far away across the city, I see a young man in a garret. He is leaning over a desk covered with papers, and in the glass by his side, there is a bunch of withered violets. So the Happy Prince told that in the garret, in the room, a room I saw in the room, and a man was leaning over a desk. Leaning means he was just bending over, isn't it? Leaning means bending over. He was just bending over the desk and he was writing something there. His hair is brown and crisp and his lips are red as pomegranate. उसके hair brown हो गए हैं और वो उसके lips जो है pomegranate अनार की तरह है. And he has a large dreamy eyes. He is trying to finish a play for the director of the theatre. He is trying to finish. He is writing something. He is trying to finish the play. But he is too cold to write anything. मगर इतने ठंड के मारे वो लिख नहीं पा रहा है. There is no fire in the grate and hunger was made him faint. And the hunger, he became very much hungry. That is why he became fat. I will wait with you one night longer, said the swallow, who really had a good heart. He asked if he should take another rupee to the young playwright. उसने कहा कि एक और रुपये लेके उस प्ले राइटर को जाके दे दो, उसे ज़रूरत है. He is feeling also very hungry. Then he can able to write the letter also. He can complete its play. So the second task he again gave. The Happy Prince gave second task to swallow, that to pick up a ruby and give it to that playwright. I hope whatever we have discussed, it must clear to you. Thank you so much.